Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to apply for expedite visa appointment, that is emergency or expedite visa appointment. So as you all know, due to COVID-19 condition, most of the cities are under lockdown, and as a result, almost all the US consulates are closed and non-immigrant visa interviews or interview waiver appointment and routine American citizen service appointments are cancelled until May 31, and only emergency appointments are honored as of today. So let's see how to apply for emergency appointment. Before you start applying for emergency visa category, please go through the US travel ban proclamation, and also please be aware of what are the categories are allowed to travel. So this might help while you are applying for your emergency visa interview. I'll provide the link for this in the description below. So now let's see how to apply for our expedite or emergency visa appointment. At first you have to log in into your CGA account. So now I have logged in into my CGA account. So to request for emergency visa appointment, you should already have a normal visa appointment scheduled for yourself by making your fee payment and selecting your consulate. Once you have done that, you will see emergency request in the left hand side menu. Once you click the emergency request, you will get to know the categories under which you can apply for emergency visa request. So the first is going to be medical needs. Next is ESTA denied. The third one is student or exchange visitors. Fourth one is urgent business travels. And the final and fifth one is funeral or death. So please go through all these category and make sure under which category you come, and also prepare with all the supporting documents which you are going to submit for your emergency request. So once you have gone through the categories and selected your respective categories with the supporting documents, you have to click here to request for emergency appointment. Once you click your emergency request, the first thing is to fill the tentative travel date. So if you have already booked your travel, then you can provide the same travel date. Otherwise you can provide a tentative travel date and reason for emergency. For reason for emergency, you have to select any one of the 5 categories which suits you better, and then you have to explain in brief about your emergency situation, and also you can upload your supporting documents in this. So if you don't have any supporting documents, that is fine. The supporting document field is not mandatory, so it is not necessary to submit any supporting documents. Only briefing the explanation of emergency is more than enough if you have a genuine reason. And once you have filled this form, you have to click submit button. So once you have submitted your emergency request, you will receive an email from US Travel Docs if your emergency appointment is approved or denied. So once your emergency request has been approved, you will receive an email stating that your emergency appointment has been approved, and you have to log in again into your CJA account and schedule for your emergency appointment. So you will have approximately 5 working days to schedule for your emergency appointment, and when you click your emergency appointment link, you will be able to find new slots, that is latest available slots for your emergency appointment. After scheduling your emergency appointment, you will receive a new appointment confirmation letter. So in your new appointment confirmation letter, so you will able to see as visa priority is listed as emergency. So rest everything is going to be the same. You have to print out your new appointment letter and visit the consulate on the date of your appointment to appear for your visa interview. So this is how you need to request for your emergency visa appointment. So when I was inquiring about emergency visa appointment, I have received a mail from Chennai consulate. So in that they have stated if you need to schedule any emergency appointment, you can also contact Chennai consulate through the mail ID they have listed here. So this is the mail ID. I'll provide this mail ID in the description below. So in this mail, they have clearly stated that our first priority is to facilitate the emergency travel for US citizens. So if you have any US citizen kids or any US citizen person traveling along with you, so you can state that as a main reason to get your emergency visa appointment approved. And they have also mentioned when contacting us, kindly state the nature of emergency and provide the document. So in this case, you can provide your trip details, and if you have an US citizen kid, you can submit your passport details, or if you have birth certificate, you can submit your kid's birth certificate as a proof. So in this they have clearly stated if you do not have plans for next 4 weeks, then they are asking us to hold for the future date. And also, while you're filling your request form for emergency visa appointment, mention your tentative dates within 4 weeks. This might also help in getting approved easily. So as you can clearly see here, they are giving priority to those who are eligible to travel. So please go through the travel eligibility first before you apply for your emergency category. That is, if you come under any of these exception categories under travel ban, then you can apply for your emergency visa interview stating the same. So please go through the exception category and state this as a main reason in your emergency appointment request. So this might help in getting it approved. So if you have any US citizen kids, or if you are a spouse of an US citizen, or if you are a sibling of an US citizen, then you are accepted from the travel ban. So in this case, you can request emergency visa interview stating the same reason. For this category, you can request emergency visa under medical needs, and you can state family separation as a reason. So I requested emergency visa under medical needs category, mentioning that my US citizen kids are along with me and stranded in India. So they have approved my emergency request. So I'm yet to go for my emergency visa appointment, which is scheduled for next week. So I'll update you once I have finished my emergency visa appointment, and I'll also update what are the process and how was my experience during emergency visa appointment. So please stay tuned for that video. So if you don't come under this exception category, then you go through the qualification for national interest exception from presidential proclamation. If you think you will qualify for national interest exception, you need to apply for national interest exception and then get your national interest exception stamped before you plan your travel. Only if you get your national interest exception, you will be able to travel. So students with F or M visa and valid I-20 indicating the start date after August 1st may eligible for travel to United States without additional exception processing. All other non-immigrants must receive approval for national interest exception prior to travel. So without approval, you will likely be denied boarding. So the national interest exception eligibility is outlined in Department of State website. I'll provide the link for that website in the description below. If you think you are eligible for national interest exception, then you have to apply for your emergency appointment as we discussed before in the video, and mention your exception category under national interest and brief the category accordingly. So I hope this video has helped you in scheduling your emergency visa appointment. I have also provided all the links in the description below. If you have any other doubts, please leave in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you. Please like and share the video. It might help others, and also subscribe to the channel for further updates. Thank you.